Okay, here's another one of our fans. This is the Harbor Breeze Lakeside 2 that is here in the upstairs living area of the house. It came with the house when we moved in 5 years ago. Eventually it will be replaced because it's kind of a piece of junk. So we'll be needing a new fan eventually for this room, but for now this one's working, so. It had the white blades facing down. We moved in and I reversed them because the wood goes better with that entertainment center there. There's low. I need to extend these pull chains a little bit. I believe that this fan was made by Heritage. Don't quote me on that. Grace. Psst. Get out of there. There's nothing for you up here. Okay. What are you doing? Hey. You're weird.